Hello and welcome to PMPLounge.com. Today we are looking into how the exams that are conducted by PMI are actually changing. If you have been part of this YouTube channel, you already know, or the website PMPLounge.com, you already know that the PMP exam is due to change on 26th of March, Monday 26th of March, and there's a change coming on the CAPM exam as well. But do you know that there are certain other exams as well that are changing? So we know that PMBOK edition 6 is out, and that is the reason why PMP and CAPM are changing. But how about the other exams? And if you don't already know, PMI actually offers many other certifications, and I'll link to a video that we did about all the certifications that PMI offers. So that link will be available in the description if you're interested in that. And it's actually important, right? You might not be a project manager as of today. You might be, let's say, a business analyst. Do you know that PMI actually has a certification for business analysts as well, right? So that's why it's important to understand the kind of certificates that PMI offers. You might be someone who's just out of college. You cannot really do PMP, but you can do CAPM, right? So that's why it's important to understand all the certifications that are offered by PMI, and I link to that video in the description. But today in this video, we are looking into how many of the exams that are basically many of these certifications that are offered by PMI, the exams for them are actually changing. So let's go over to my favorite website, which is of course pmi.org, and I'll share the link of this web page in the description so you can come over here and you can check for yourself how the exams are changing in 2018. So PMP changing on 26th of March 2018, updated to align with new terminology from PMBOK Guide Edition 6. Current exam content outline remains relevant, may include agile approaches and how they integrate with traditional project management. I'll say this May is pretty fishy. I'm pretty sure agile is going to be included when you write the PMP exam. CAPM also changing on 21st of May. Take the CAPM pilot exam 12 March to 20 May 2018 and save up to $210 off on your exam fee. So that's something new. I saw it for the first time. So you can take up a CAPM pilot exam as well. That's something new, right? So CAPM is indeed changing on 21st of May. Again, this change is because of the change in the PMBOK guide, which is now 6th edition. It will include agile approaches and how they integrate with the traditional project management. So CAPM PMI has clearly stated that it will include agile approaches. Now, coming down, PMI ACP, the Agile certification, which is offered by PMI, right? So this exam is also changing on 26th of March. And if you don't already know, with PMBOK Edition 6, PMI also published the new Agile Practice Guide, updated to align terminology with new Agile Practice Guide. So there's another book that has come out, the Agile Practice Guide, alongside PMBOK Edition 6. And actually, on the PMI website, they are selling those two books as a bundle as well. So this is also resulting into a change in the PMI ACP exam, which will be changed on 26th of March. The current exam content outline remains relevant. Then PgMP, the program management professional, right? So this is changing on 25th of June 2018. Some people say that this is the next step after PMP. And actually, I've done a video on whether PGMP is worth it. I'll link that into the description if you are looking into PGMP. Right, so updated to align terminology with the standard for program management 4th edition. So it seems there's a new edition out for the standard for program management. Current exam content outline remains relevant. So there's a change to PGMP as well. And then PMI professional in business analysis, the PMI PBA, the exam, the certification for business analysts. So there's no date yet. It says second quarter of 2018, updated to align terminology with the new PMI guide to business analysis first edition. So there's a new guide in the town. It's called the Guide to Business Analysis, just like PMBOK, which is a guide to project management. There's a first edition of this book that is out, and more information is coming soon. So this is a change in the PMI PBA, which is the certification for business analysis. Now they've given why certification exam changes. Well, that's because there are new, to stay relevant in the market, the guides are updated, and that's the reason why the exams also change. I'll definitely share the link to this web page itself if you want to go over and kind of read this page out in detail. So basically, the exams are changing. It's not just PMP. Other exams are also set to change. And that is all that I had in this quick video. Just wanted to update you about the changes that are coming in. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, youtube.com/PMP Lounge, that is. And check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMP Lounge and twitter.com/PMP Lounge. And as always, do check out the website pmblounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP certification and project management industry information. Thank you.